Ka Tnat Horticulture Ejhd Iaka District nanta sengi kala Pynlong Iaka Iew Pyni makli riat. Hakane Iaka Iew lapan ina mi Iaki Jingthung ki beri ki marep ki baper ki Syntiew berkijai umngap ki belapan na po ka district. Ka Director of Horticulture Meghalaya kakong Durga Sutun kalalongkum kakong san baru Deputy Commissioner Ejhd Iaka District Wabilash Baranwal IAS kumusembut kongsan. U District Horticulture Officer ka Ejhd Iaka District badi bidkhar ka jingkramet phang ula batairu syapang ka scheme MDH. Barang mapo akan ka scheme ka kantup ikitan raiso ki Syntiew ki ying puli house ba aji harap syakinong rap ke 40% ka subsidi. Bar kidon ru ki wei ki kam ki barit apo akan ka scheme. Ula kentui kinong rap ba kidai ban kentiu syusyu ka rap karyang la ka de ka rap juhur ne rap Syntiew rap tit bat ka baringap ru. Barang ba ka jingkwa ka office kalong ba kinong rap kin rap habaro ki ayom. Hakane ka sengila samru iki price syakito kinong rap ki balale bah ka rap karyang.
Mainly meant for the subsidy, 50% subsidy to the farmers. In this scheme, we have many things like fruits, vegetables, and then this polyhouse we give to the farmers for 50% subsidy, and many other activities, minor work also we have here. This scheme, what we found till now, it is very beneficial to the farmers. There is one assistant to the farmers for the setting up of a small nurseries for Kasi Mandarin. I'm happy to announce, sir, one of the farmers from East Janta Hills, his name is Self-Denial Lingdo. He applied for this scheme, the loan for this scheme. The sanction amount for this scheme is 15 lakh and 7.5 lakh for common assistant and 7.5 lakh is beneficiary share. I'm happy to announce here that yesterday we got the news that this loan he applied through the MCAB clearance, it has been sanctioned. It has been sanctioned for raising Kasi Mandarin samplings. Wow, thungker pang pi Iaki Jingthung yang pi naibenta exhibition. Ray ka jemut yang ihi ya ke exhibition open manika hewan manipur. Karugante kam ginong rep kiwa thung kiwa tep hawaro sudali ayam. Nga ka jingkwa yung ka office kayong i wa urep baha pi ule baha pi uthung baha pi bro jisnem. Untuk open yang kita Jingthung kerbang nai bentaga exhibition. Andre Jingthung he kiwo thung pi Jing sumar kiwo sumar pi kita Jingthung bonja kiwo thung pi kenmu MK mo thung mo sumar bahai ki yo man ki kiwo penyo jingmentoy yipi. The ka exhibition open manika nai por sipor kar baca kalat kar baca kapon klem debu ya kapor ka betikna. Karo kam te wang pi nado ini sekmat Persang thung bhao le bhai Iaki Jingthung yang pi maya Iaki Jingthung yang pi dipi kawi ka contain yang scientist lane rustat yang garap karyang kamanong ong boro Iaki Jingthung tep klambru ki kamu kelam ki bro ngai bi ong kate Iaki Jingthung tep lane gidin so ki wathungi klambru ki kamu kelam hu bro ngai jan lada chisen bu ikate Iaki Jingli ya pi ngatrai memobil la wujuba bong woman kamte. We
are blessed with vast land. Unfortunately, some of the land has become infertile, but then I'm sure that Badahar must be looking into it, how to be able to utilize the lands which have been rendered infertile because of the mining activities which have gone in the past. But as I was talking to him, we are blessed with the geography and we are blessed with the weather condition that allows for growing of 3-4 different types of or categories of crops which include tropical, subtropical as well as temperate climate. Through this platform, I'd like to request my DHO as well as DAO to ensure that the farmers are adequately trained and they take full advantage of the geography as well as the weather that we have over here to raise their income levels. mushroom cultivation was something that we started with DO and DHO office, and we are, I personally as DC am satisfied with the progress so far, but I would still request cooperation from DHO and DAO to ensure that mushroom cultivation is seen as a very viable alternative to raise the income levels of the people over here. This is not just the district administration but the vision of the government as well, in which they have seen agriculture, especially organic agriculture, as one avenue through which people's income can be raised as well as a better standard of living can be achieved. In this regard, the role of directorates, in this regard, the role of departments which deal with floriculture, horticulture, veterinary, which deal with agriculture, becomes eminently important. It is only through development of these primary sector activities that we can subsequently move to secondary and tertiary sector of economies. So a big responsibility lies on the shoulders of our departments like veterinary, agriculture, horticulture, and no stones should be left unturned in order to ensure that people do get the training as well as the exposure that is required for them to achieve higher productivity and adopt high value crops.
Kasurkar ka mangingi ba ngidei ban Pynlong kini ki Jingthung Kum la ne ki exhibition. Ka Jingthung ba kong san ka bading kong ka dei ba ki nongrep na baro ka district kin yalang kum ni kum ba mata ka singi baro nang ba pinye itu iwe ka ba ar pa de long piedon hani dei ba fisio wan tak ba dia simbenta ka di exhibition. Kapag san kabut pilaya lum hangni naka district baro kawai nakaliat baro kawai tie piadan hani kabut pinya selok mapi para nongrep pinya ped kiwai de ki nongrep ha district jong pi ki rep ayu ki thung ayu piap ya thu khana piap ya keren tie kum kadi ke exhibition kum kila ongru badan ki nongrep ki bayo price Reiki ong what so pair la da pimyo price ru te pin ta pi dan hani pi ya bu jing keli la dia balai utai unong rep utai uba o yo price balai nga khamyo kada ko babun balai ba pimyo price te sngub ha pi dan hani menta pin ya keli para nong rep balai ba nga khamyo price pi price Namar kibun ki daw, namar ba ni ay price ni pe yung Jingthung uba itanan uba biang ti pinya kali na kinongrap Jingthung Kum no. Mday ba niya bisini ba niya kapnam. Ti pialang hani pe di biya tali kum kinongrap jong ka kliyak baro kaway. Cikata ka day ka Jingthung jong ka day ka exhibition bangisit Pynlong na kapor sa kapor. Ti kabaad pa dia Jingthung jo kani ke exhibition ka dai ba khamtam pia don hang ne ma phi kilogram te na pren jo phi kilogram ki don ki bala kham start ki ba kham salang ki nang bat pnya yo umar rep jong ki te pia don hane te ya kali jung bot ya sulok e kali jung bot te phiru ka bot pia don umar kum ma ki ba kwa ka yo te sobha ya rap kaliang mar kaliang ba pnya yo rut Iaki Jingthung Kum Pi